The first step is to clean your surface. The smoother a surface is, the cleaner you'll want it to be. The reason for this is because on a smoother surface, every little imperfection is that much more noticeable. Using water and a cloth should get the job done. Before applying the ThinkBoard, after cleaning the surface, you'll want to spray a bit of water on your placement area. Why water? On a super smooth surface like glass, the adhesive will stick very well, but this can make it difficult to adjust as you squeegee. The water acts as a lubricant. It allows the board to move a little as you install your ThinkBoard. As you squeegee, the water underneath will travel from beneath the board out to the sides. Water bubbles get pushed right out. Using the cross method, you'll want to squeegee down the center of the ThinkBoard, first vertically and then horizontally. This will establish the maximum boundaries of the board. Once you've got the cross down and the position just right, smooth out the rest of the board from those center lines with your cloth. Make sure to overlap each stroke so as to avoid air bubbles. Clean it up, and with that, you're ready to go.